Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to put the video inside the text in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, make sure that the video clip is on the video layer 2. Then go to Effects panel, scroll down to Titles and drag and drop the basic title underneath your video clip. Then click the eye icon of your video track to temporarily disable the video layer. Then highlight the text layer into your timeline and go to Inspector panel and customize the text as you like. After that, adjust the text or enable the video layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Then in the Inspector panel, under the Composite section, change the mode to Darken. This will allow the video appear inside the text, creating an impressive effect where the video is visible through the shape of the letters. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!